But it's interesting enough. You probably just buy it just for the photo.
Sure.
For the gram.
Probably what they did.
For the gram. You probably buy this and stick it in the 2D cafe.
There you go.
For the gram.
What about this one?
Well, that's disgusting.
What is this?
Oh, you're back on.
It's a phone case.
Cursed images here. It's meant to look like skin.
It did a really good job.
It's huge too. Like the way that it.
Wow, it's actually kind of crazy how much the texture looks like skin.
Well, next to the skin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got the veins and everything.
What's that little hole on the side? The bottom right corner.
Yeah, that is weird. Is it for the speaker? Or what? Or is it just to look disgusting?
I think it's just to look disgusting.
I don't know. It's an old iPhone, like an iPhone 10 or something.
Yeah, because it's got the camera unit.
That is on. I mean, what is it made of? Is this like a makeup artist trying to do, like, that would be a good calling card. They pull that out. It's like, whoa. And they're like, I'm a makeup artist. Hire me. Hire me.
Yeah, there's no context.
Yeah, it's just on
Based on
images.
Reddit.
Yeah. The skin. I remember seeing that thing about that artificial skin. Do you remember that? That they were scientists were trying to make something exactly like human skin, or it was an interface.
Okay.
You remember anything about this? We covered on this show about 1,000 years ago.
Probably.
All right.
Probably.
That's fine. That's fine.
Okay.
This just made me think of that.
Okay.